Welcome to the Man and the Pan. Everything I cook will be using this frying pan. Aloha! It's an exciting day. I'm going to show you how to make poke using the ahi. First you cut them up all in cubes, just like this. Yeah, because it's Super Bowl Sunday. And when Super Bowl comes out, everybody eats poke and beer. So show me some of my pan. I'm going to use this pan now, okay? And I put some Hawaiian salt inside, okay? Dump some Hawaiian salt in there. Put in some garlic powder. Awesome, awesome. Looking good already. Grab some chili flakes. With like a little bit more heat inside there. Right? And some sesame oil. Okay? Dump in some shoyu. Real fast and simple now. Real fast and simple. Okay? And this is a kicker. I'm gonna put in some Honda Ogo Namasu. Okay, simple as that. Okay, take it out here, chop it up. Get the Ogo, get some bean sprouts, get some onions, get everything in here. So I don't need to buy all those things. And I squeeze out all the juice, dump them in here. Okay, and here you go. This is how it looks like. Just mix them all up, just like this. Right in my frying pan. Ah, look at that. The bugger look on already. Right here. Ahi Poke. It's all gonna be on sale at KTA. Ahi filet. And if you're lazy or you don't want to make, or you just buy it from the poke counter. There you go. Ahi Poke. Oh! Oh! It's so, oh no! Oh! No! The problem with this, cannot stop eating.